Do you ever wonder what separates the wealthy and financially independent from the rest? It's a question that has intrigued and motivated countless individuals to explore the secrets of prosperity. In a world filled with an abundance of financial books with all sorts of financial advice, I embarked on a quest to distill the wisdom of 40 of the best renowned financial gurus and their best books. From all the remarkable books, I got to handpick the top 12 gems that hold the key to what truly makes one rich. So, if you're ready to unlock the door to financial success, let's begin to reveal the secrets of money that can change your life. 1. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This has recently been one of the best financial books produced. It delves into the behavioral aspects of personal finance and investing. Housel explores the psychological factors that influence our financial decisions and provides valuable insights on how to make smarter choices. One of the key themes in the book is the idea that money is not just about numbers and spreadsheets, it's about human behavior. Housel argues that our financial decisions are often driven by emotions, biases, and social influences. Understanding these psychological factors is crucial for making more rational and beneficial financial choices. Housel introduces the concept of room for error, which underscores the importance of building financial resilience. He suggests that striving for financial security is not just about maximizing returns, but also about minimizing the chances of a catastrophic loss. This perspective encourages individuals to make conservative financial decisions that can protect them during economic downturns. The book also highlights the power of compounding and the importance of starting early when it comes to saving and investing. Housel provides real-life examples of how consistent long-term investing can lead to significant wealth accumulation. Housel delves into the concept of tail events, which are rare but extreme financial events that can have a profound impact on one's financial well-being. He advises readers to prepare for these unpredictable events by building a financial safety net and having insurance in place. Housel argues that factors like frugality, patience, and a long-term perspective play a more significant role in building wealth than having a high income. 2. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book still holds the top best financial foundation for anyone beginning their personal finance literacy journey. It challenges conventional beliefs about financial education and offers a fresh perspective on wealth building. Robert Kiyosaki uses a narrative format to compare the financial philosophies of his rich dad, his father's friend who is a successful entrepreneur, and his poor dad, his biological father who is well-educated but follows traditional financial advice. One of the key takeaways from this book is that wealth is not solely determined by how much you earn, but by how you manage what you earn. Kiyosaki's Rich Dad emphasizes the importance of financial education, not the traditional way of education of going to school to acquire basic education and later on being employed, but the street kind of way of how money actually works in the real world away from the traditional classroom. He argues that the lack of financial knowledge is the primary reason many people struggle financially. Kiyosaki introduces the concept of financial intelligence, which consists of 4 fundamental skills: making money, managing money, understanding investments, and understanding the market. He suggests that to become financially successful, individuals must focus on developing these skills. Another central idea in the book is the difference between assets and liabilities. Kiyosaki encourages us to acquire income-generating assets, such as real estate or businesses that put money in our pockets, rather than accumulating liabilities like expensive cars that take away money from our pockets. He advises us that the key to wealth is to have your assets generate enough income to cover your expenses through the cash flow method, leading to financial freedom. He challenges the traditional path of working for a paycheck and advises us to seek alternative ways to generate income. 3. The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. This is another old classic best personal finance literature, known for its timeless principles. The book is set in ancient Babylon, where the characters reveal essential financial wisdom through parables and stories. One of the most crucial lessons is the principle of pay yourself first. Clason emphasizes that no matter how much you earn, you must set aside a portion of your income for savings and investment before paying any other expenses. The book introduces the concept of the cure for a lean purse, which suggests saving at least 10% of your income. This habit of saving is like planting a financial tree that grows over time. By consistently setting aside a portion of your earnings, you can create a safety net commonly known as an emergency fund and eventually generate wealth through wise investments. In the book, the character Arkad, the richest man in Babylon, shares the wisdom that he gathered from a wealthy mentor. He learned the power of investing his savings to make his money work for him, which is a key concept for wealth accumulation. He advises everyone to seek financial education to learn about different investment opportunities that will compound and grow your money without always working to earn. By the end of reading this book, you will learn that the path to riches begins with a commitment to saving and investing. By following the principle of paying yourself first through saving and investing and acquiring financial knowledge, you can pave the way for long-term financial security and wealth. 4. I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. This book provides a practical and actionable guide to achieving financial success through automation and conscious spending. The book offers a step-by-step approach to managing money and building wealth while maintaining a balanced and enjoyable lifestyle. One of the central themes in the book is the concept of conscious spending. Ramit encourages us to spend extravagantly on the things we love while ruthlessly cutting back on areas that don't bring joy or meaning to our lives. This approach aims to help individuals allocate their resources more efficiently and prioritize what truly matters to them. He introduces the big wins concept, which emphasizes focusing on the most significant financial decisions that can have a substantial impact on one's wealth. The book provides a detailed plan for automating your finances, including setting up automatic transfers to savings and investment accounts, automating bill payments, and tracking your spending. This approach aims to make managing money as hands-off as possible, ensuring that you consistently save and invest without needing to think about it. He also discusses the importance of investing for the long term, building wealth gradually, and passive investing through low-cost index funds, encouraging individuals to start investing early in order to take advantage of the power of compounding to multiply their investments continuously. In addition, the book provides valuable insights into the importance of negotiating and optimizing your financial life. Ramit shares strategies for negotiating bills, fees, and even your salary, helping you get the most value from your money. It also emphasizes the significance of having a money date with your finances to review your progress, set financial goals, and make adjustments to your plan. This practice helps individuals stay accountable and make informed decisions about their money. The book offers a practical and holistic approach to managing money, automating finances, and building wealth. By following the steps outlined in the book and adopting conscious spending and automated financial practices, readers can work toward financial success while enjoying their lives. 5. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. This book takes a different approach to understanding wealth. Instead of focusing on billionaires or flashy spenders, the book examines the habits and behaviors of everyday millionaires in the United States. Stanley and Danko's research reveals that many millionaires are frugal, practical individuals who have accumulated wealth by living below their means. One of the central concepts of the book is the calculation of your wealth index, which is essentially your net worth. They introduce the concept of prodigious accumulators of wealth, PAWs, and underaccumulators of wealth, UAWs. PAWs consistently save and invest, while UAWs tend to spend their money on conspicuous consumption. The book encourages people to adopt the habits of PAWs, emphasizing the importance of budgeting, spending less than you earn, and consistently investing in income-generating assets. Stanley and Danko also dispel the myth that most millionaires live extravagant lifestyles. They found that many millionaires live in modest homes, drive used cars, and are often inconspicuous in their spending. The key to their wealth is their ability to prioritize saving and investing over material possessions. In addition, the book highlights the significance of financial education in making wise investment decisions, as millionaires tend to be knowledgeable about investing and seek professional advice when necessary. Apart from that, millionaires diversify their investments and focus on long-term growth rather than chasing short-term gains. In essence, this book will teach you that accumulating wealth is not about flaunting your earnings, but about consistently saving, living below your means, and making informed investment choices. By adopting the habits of everyday millionaires, you can work towards achieving financial security and building your wealth steadily. 6. The Millionaire Fastlane by M.J. DeMarco. This book offers a contrarian perspective on wealth building by challenging the traditional path to financial success. DeMarco, just like Robert Kiyosaki, argues that the conventional advice of getting a job, saving for retirement, and waiting until old age to enjoy life is fundamentally flawed. He introduces the concept of the sidewalk, the slow lane, and the fast lane as three distinct paths to financial independence. The sidewalk represents a life of financial ignorance and chaos, characterized by reckless spending and a lack of financial responsibility. The slow lane is the traditional path, where individuals work for a paycheck, save diligently, and hope to retire rich by the age of 65. However, his primary focus is on the fast lane, which involves creating wealth through entrepreneurship and asset building. He emphasizes the importance of creating or owning a business that can generate substantial income and build wealth faster than the slow lane. One of the book's fundamental principles is that time is your most valuable asset, and it should not be squandered in the slow lane. DeMarco encourages everyone to take control of their financial destinies by focusing on opportunities that have the potential to create wealth rapidly. He emphasizes the concept of financial vehicles, which are the means by which you create wealth, and to differentiates between limited financial vehicles, such as a job, and unlimited financial vehicles, such as a successful business. By choosing unlimited financial vehicles, you have the potential to generate income beyond your time and effort, allowing you to amass wealth more quickly. 7. A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton G. Malkiel and The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. These are classic books that will educate you on the concept of the efficient market hypothesis, EMH, and advocate for passive investing. Malkiel argues that financial markets are largely efficient, meaning that asset prices already reflect all available information. These books challenge the idea that investors can consistently beat the market by picking individual stocks or trying to time the market. Both authors convey that the most sensible investment approach is to adopt a passive strategy, such as investing in low-cost index funds that track the performance of the broader market. One of the key takeaways from these two books is the idea that stock prices follow a random walk, meaning that future price movements are essentially unpredictable. Because information is rapidly and efficiently incorporated into stock prices, it is difficult for investors to gain a consistent advantage through stock selection or market timing, so the importance of diversification and the benefits of spreading risk across a broad portfolio of assets is emphasized. Both authors suggest that investors should hold a mix of different asset classes to reduce the risk associated with individual securities or market segments. A Random Walk Down Wall Street introduces the concept of the folly of forecasting, highlighting the limitations of market predictions and the potential risks associated with following financial forecasts, while The Little Book of Common Sense Investing introduces the concept of the relentless rules of humble arithmetic. That provides clear data and examples to illustrate the power of low-cost investing. These books encourage individuals to focus on a long-term, buy-and-hold approach, rather than trying to react to short-term market fluctuations. They promote the idea that passive investing, such as investing in low-cost index funds, is a prudent and effective strategy for the majority of investors. Malkiel's insights on the efficient market hypothesis and the random walk theory challenge the notion that active management can consistently outperform the market. And Bogle's philosophy on the simplicity of passive investing still continues to influence the way many individuals approach investing in low-cost investment instead of the stock market. 8. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. The Intelligent Investor is a foundational work in the field of value investing and provides timeless wisdom on the art of rational investing. Graham, a mentor to Warren Buffett, emphasizes the importance of sound principles, discipline, and a long-term perspective in the world of investing. One of the book's central concepts is the distinction between an investor and a speculator. Graham argues that investors seek safety and a reasonable return on their investment, while speculators are motivated by the hope of high returns and are often willing to take on more risk. Graham encourages us to adopt an investor mindset and avoid speculative behavior. He introduces the idea of margin of safety, which suggests that investors should purchase securities at a significant discount to their intrinsic value. This approach minimizes risk and provides a buffer against market volatility. The book also delves into the importance of conducting thorough research and analysis of potential investments you intend to invest in. Graham advocates for a systematic approach to evaluating stocks and bonds, focusing on factors such as financial stability, past performance, and future prospects. He advises investors to be diligent and cautious in their decision-making. Graham's concept of Mr. Market is another pivotal element in the book. He compares the stock market to an individual named Mr. Market, who offers to buy or sell stocks at various prices each day. He also encourages investors to view Mr. Market as a moody partner, sometimes overly optimistic and at other times unduly pessimistic. By maintaining a level-headed long-term perspective, investors can take advantage of Mr. Market's emotional swings. Furthermore, this book underscores the importance of diversification and the benefits of holding a portfolio of stocks and bonds. The book offers a wealth of knowledge on rational investing, value investing, risk management, and the discipline required for long-term success in the stock market. Benjamin Graham's principles continue to guide investors in making informed and prudent investment decisions. 9. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. This is a comprehensive guide to managing your finances, conquering debt, and building a strong financial foundation. Ramsey's approach is rooted in practical steps that anyone can take to achieve financial success. One of the book's central concepts is the Baby Steps plan, which is a step-by-step process for financial transformation. The plan begins with creating a $1,000 emergency fund to provide a financial safety net. It then focuses on tackling debt through the debt snowball method, where you pay off your debts from smallest to largest, gaining momentum as you eliminate each one. The book emphasizes living on a budget and giving every dollar a specific purpose. Ramsey introduces the envelope system, where you allocate cash into envelopes for various spending categories, ensuring that you stay within your budget. Ramsey also underscores the importance of saving for emergencies and the future. After becoming debt-free, you're encouraged to build a fully funded emergency fund, typically containing 6 months' worth of living expenses. The book also promotes saving for retirement through retirement accounts like 401k and IRAs. Another key principle in the book is the avoidance of debt, especially high-interest consumer debt. Ramsey encourages individuals to live debt-free and pay cash for major purchases, such as cars and homes. He believes that staying out of debt is essential for financial peace and security. 10. Your Money or Your Life by Vicki and Joe Dominguez. This is a groundbreaking book that challenges our conventional relationship with money and provides a 9-step program for achieving financial independence and fulfillment. The authors advocate a shift from a consumption-driven lifestyle to one focused on values, purpose, and conscious spending. One of the book's key concepts is the money-life connection. It asks readers to consider the real cost of their spending in terms of the time and energy required to earn the money they spend. By understanding the true exchange of life energy for money, individuals can make more intentional and mindful spending choices. The authors introduce the concept of total money makeover, which involves tracking every expense and income, creating a personal balance sheet, and calculating your real hourly wage. This exercise reveals the opportunity cost of your spending and can be a powerful motivator to make more conscious financial decisions. Your Money or Your Life emphasizes frugality and the importance of distinguishing between needs and wants. It encourages readers to reduce unnecessary expenses and adopt a minimalist approach to material possessions. By minimizing expenses, individuals can increase their savings and redirect their resources toward achieving financial goals. The book also introduces the concept of the crossover point, which is the point at which your investment income exceeds your monthly expenses. Crossing this point is a significant milestone on the path to financial independence, as it means you no longer need to work for money and can choose how to spend your time. You get to learn how to reevaluate your relationship with money, track your expenses meticulously, prioritize conscious spending, and work towards financial independence. 11. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Think and Grow Rich is a well-known, timeless self-help classic that explores the power of desire and mindset in achieving success and wealth. Though the author has had a mixed reputation in the financial world, the content in his book has had of great impact for so many years. One of the core principles of the book is the importance of a strong, burning desire for a specific goal. Napoleon argues that the starting point for all personal achievement is a clear and definite desire as your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality. And by focusing intensely on a specific goal, you can channel your energy and efforts toward its attainment. The book's principles emphasize the importance of mindset and the role it plays in shaping your financial destiny. 12. The Warren Buffett Way by Robert G. Hagstrom. The Warren Buffett Way is a book that delves into the investment philosophy and strategies of one of the most successful investors in history, Warren Buffett. The book provides us with valuable insights into how Buffett approaches investing and wealth accumulation. One of the core principles of the book is the importance of a long-term perspective. Buffett is known for his buy and hold strategy, where he invests in companies with strong fundamentals and holds on to them for years, if not decades. This approach contrasts with the short-term thinking prevalent in many investment circles. Hagstrom introduces the concept of economic moats, which are the competitive advantages that make a company resilient and profitable. Buffett looks for companies with sustainable moats, such as strong brand recognition, low-cost production, or network effects, as these factors contribute to a company's long-term success. The book emphasizes the significance of value investing, which involves purchasing stocks at a price below their intrinsic value. Buffett is a value investor, and he looks for undervalued companies that have the potential for long-term growth. Hagstrom provides insights into how to assess a company's intrinsic value and make informed investment decisions. He also discusses the importance of financial analysis and the evaluation of a company's financial health. Buffett is known for his meticulous examination of financial statements, and the book outlines some of the key financial metrics and ratios that he considers when evaluating potential investments. The book delves into the concept of a circle of competence, which refers to investing in industries and companies that an individual understands well. Buffett often emphasizes the importance of staying within one's circle of competence and avoiding investments in areas where one lacks expertise. Throughout the book, you will be able to learn valuable lessons from the investment approach of Warren Buffett. Buffett's principles continue to influence many investors seeking to build wealth through a rational and informed approach to investing. It's not about the books you read, but the actions you take. Knowledge is power, but it's the application of that knowledge that can truly transform your financial future.